morning, how are you all? I just woke up and already I'm late. I have to work out. Shamu is already working out. Yeah, it's already I think more past 8:30 and I'm late. I will be late for my office. He's working out right now. It's the working room. Chalo, okay, see you after I change clothes. Change my outfit. The top is from Decathlon and the bottom is also from Decathlon. So we'll start now. Today I will be doing Pamela Reeves week 4 of 30 minutes. So today is the day 3 for that. You see, I have been following this thing. And it will be HIIT and ab workout today. So let's get started. Done with it. Well, I'll be making some oats for breakfast now. I'm already late. So the quantity of the oats would be like this spoon. One person should have 3 of this spoon on average. So I'll put 6 spoons to it. And a little bit extra, some milk, and here is my lemon bottom.
Today we have a very healthy breakfast. What's in the plate?
We have oats that you already seen. I have prepared along with some prasad, and this is some blackberries or some jamun we call it. That's it.
Try to have daily 2 dates.
And we are back home after the office. He's parking the vehicle. It's almost 8 o'clock. And we'll go home, prepare lunch. And let's see what to do next.
Yeah, we came from office and we changed our clothes to bath, whatever is
So we have a fun game today. Not a fun game, just we want to tell you what gave us the inspiration for this YouTube channel. And for that we have a fun game. I made the list for 2. One I will give it to him.
not only inspiration but also what helps we
Exactly.
take in day-to-day lives.
Without YouTube, I don't know how we would survive. Be it cooking. At a very young age, we started living alone, and
We have come out of our houses.
also our fitness regime.
And nowadays, I think everyone is like that.
No, I don't know
Dedicated.
people whether in India they follow YouTube for like that. It's like you have learned finances from YouTube.
Yeah.
I have learned how to do YouTube. We have many such inspirations, and this is like I have categorized. I found out that YouTube is divided into 20 categories, which I didn't know before today. I did a small research, and I had written down the categories, which I'll put it on this side or this side.
There's too many categories for taste.
Okay, I'll move a little bit so
I
that
don't
we can move
I
it
don't
here.
look in YouTube so much as much
No,
as she does.
he is the one who is always on YouTube watching recipes but not cooking any of it. I'll say the categories. The categories are animation, ASMR, beauty, comedy, conspiracy. I think conspiracy videos are those where they tell about the real
Revealing
stuff,
things,
revealing stuff.
revealings,
Maybe some
conspiracy
truths.
theories are there which they discuss
Yeah.
upon.
And cooking, which is his favorite. Daily vloggers, which is my favorite. Daily vloggers does not mean lifestyle vloggers.
Okay.
Design and art, family, fashion, gaming, health and fitness, again both are favorites. Learning, again both are favorites. Lifestyle, music, dance, music and dance, which falls under the same category. Pranks and challenges, we don't watch that. We don't watch it.
Don't know what. Yeah.
Sports, tech and travel. Okay. So we are now going to write down. I'll write my favorite channels. Both
I don't know about most
international,
of them. Yeah.
both international as well as Indian as well as Bengali, because we follow Bengali channels as well, Hindi channels as well, Indian English channels as well, and English channels as well, Japanese channels as well. We have a huge
Channels we don't know the language, we can't understand what they're saying. Just the fun of watching is they make it so nice and so appealing to
Okay, you
visual
discuss about it
experience.
after you write
Okay,
it down.
okay.
Okay. We'll start writing and then we'll come back to you. Okay, we are done.
We are done.
So bad. For animation, I don't have anything. You?
I also don't have anything.
For ASMR, I don't have anything.
You
We
can
don't
check.
have any channels, but we can suggest you 2 movies which you can watch.
One is
Yeah, your name. It's a Japanese movie.
and another thing is My Neighbor Totoro.
One is about a teenage, like a fictional, and the second one is about a two cute little children. Both are animation, you will feel it's real.
Yeah.
Okay, ASMR, I don't have anything.
I have Tasty and Bong Eats. Bong Eats is not an official ASMR. They're cooking with a HD camera and an HD microphone and HD sound effect. You will have a surround sound effect.
Coming to beauty, I mean like beauty products reviewing channels. What about you?
Beauty. I used to see one guy. He is beer biceps. So he would give.
He's a good guy,
Yeah, he's a good looking guy also.
He's a
and-
very cute looking
Yeah,
guy.
he's a cute looking guy who gives tips on like maintaining your skin. For comedy,
I think there will be many common.
one is BMS. Okay. Bapura
People, if you don't understand Bengali, I am sorry, you can't enjoy it.
But if you know Bengali, you should try. Even if you don't know Bengali, you can watch it. But the jump cuts they give are very hilarious.
Yeah.
PewDiePie.
Oh, PewDiePie I don't watch.
Okay, I have watched a few videos of it.
I don't find him funny because I have only seen him reviewing the Indian videos. That is how India works. How can you review and make fun of it? Come on, I don't allow such kind of fun. It is funny, I know, but I cannot. For me, it is Ashish Chanchalani
Okay.
and mostly Sen. They are like the 2 best I feel, because Ashish Chanchalani just can tickle you and make you giggle. Lily Singh I used to watch. Now Lily Singh makes a different type of content, and these people are doing that same type of content. I used to watch Lily Singh back then.
One honorable mention is MFL.
Yeah, everyone is our channel, come on.
Yeah. So
That's a comedy channel.
it's a comedy.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Must watch. Conspiracy, I don't know.
Conspiracy. I also
Okay,
don't know.
I don't know.
Cooking, I'll come to international cooking channels, which are like personal channels. One is Laura Vitali. I love Laura Vitali. I just love her food. And this is Chef John, and this I am from foodwishes.com. That also I like. Like any kind of random videos from foodwishes.com is a must try. Dona's Skin is like some authentic Italian food. I feel like the dishes are magnificent. Like Laura Vitali and Dona's Skin are like my Italian favorite genre. And Magic Ingredients is like a Korean channel. Bong Eats, yeah. And Namaskar, Nisa Madhulika mein aapka swagat hai. We really love our channel. No, she's like a virtual mother
Yeah.
feeding us.
बहुत अच्छे बने हैं बैंगन के भरते. I follow Bongets for Bengali cuisines that I make. It's a science of food.
Yeah, it's a science of food. They had a PDF for biryani as well, like with exact proportions, exact cooking time, exact everything. I don't know exact.
And they do experiment, and then they will show the results of each of the experiments that they have. Food, any other non-Bengali food, I prefer Heba's Kitchen because it saves so much of time. They show like she shows the whole cooking process, the whole recipe within 2 minutes or 2 to 3
Actually,
minutes.
Heber's Kitchen I follow on Facebook, not on YouTube. It is so handy.
And yeah, it works out well also. Jamie Oliver for the English things, Swadam. So she's also a very motherly figure, and yeah, we get to learn a lot from her. And Shampa's Kitchen is one another thing. Actually, it's very helpful actually how she makes it, and the taste turns out really like home food.
Yeah.
So that is what we really miss over here. Daily vloggers I don't watch.
Daily vloggers I watch. My favorite is It's Judy's Life, and I watch because I have been watching her for the past 11 years when she was not married and didn't have a child. Now she has 4 children, and just I know everything of them. Like she's like a virtual
Family.
sister. I feel like that. And then another, recently I have seen this type of channels which it's like not I follow every day, but it's like one is Indian YouTuber Somali. She is a Bengali vlogger, and I feel like we have similar lifestyles, so I kind of follow her. And there is one Indian YouTuber Neelam. She is kind of food vlogger, but daily she puts a vlog, so I think it's a daily vlog.
So next category is design and arts.
For this I just search Pinterest. For this design and art and for DIY both I search Pinterest.
Yeah, Pinterest is the
If I
best
really
thing.
don't understand Pinterest, then I search that thing in YouTube and I find the results of something somewhere or the other.
Yeah,
Somebody
if
shows it.
I know something about something, then I see how to make it.
That's
If I want to make a origami, specific origami like a bird or a swan or a flower, then I'll search for origami of a flower. So then what shows up pretty frequently is 5 minutes crafts. And they
That's
are
also on
good
Facebook
guide.
basically.
DIY, I got one channel that was Sleepy Show. He's a guy who has a very grumpy looking cat with him.
I
And
saw
then-
it. I saw it. I came across it.
He brings things and then he makes his own fish tank. Then he makes his own watering bottle for his garden and such things. So yeah, it's pretty nice seeing those videos.
Fashion I have Sejal and Komal Pandey. That is for I think most Indian girls watch.
I am my own fashion. I wear my own fashion.
That is very unfortunate.
Fashion TV I used to watch.
Okay, I'll cut it. For gaming, I have a very interesting channel. It's called Super Cooper Sunday. That guy is a gamer and he had a very cute puppy. And he vlogged the puppy, and I only watch the puppy vlogs. And other vlogs I don't watch. So you can check out Super Cooper Sunday.
Similar is with Karim Minanti. Like he started his channel with gaming, and then he switched into what you call roasting channel.
Health and fitness.
Health
FitTuber.
and fitness.
Hi, bye.
Yeah, FitTuber.
He is very dedicated to keep his followers healthy.
Yeah, he does a great lot of study, and especially he does study Ayurvedic things and what our Indian culture and Indian tradition has taught us, but have faded away in the modern time.
My channels other than that is Psyche Truth, who taught me, that channel taught me how to do Surya Namaskar.
It was my first yoga
Exactly. And I
channel.
also watch Pop Sugar. Pamela Reef. Pamela Reef I'm watching right now.
Yeah.
In the morning only I did it.
One I do from FitYoga, another I do from Jordan Yoga.
Okay, then learning. I only learning channel I have subscribed is Royce Finance. He's a financial advisor, and you can also check on his channel.
Okay. Another person I follow for financial learning is Varun Malhotra. He's a good mentor. Next is lifestyle. I don't have any lifestyle.
Lifestyle, I have one lifestyle channel that is a, I don't know, Korean or Japanese, that is something Ria Y or something. Whatever she shows is like all those cute Hello Kitty shops, and like her entire apartment looks like a store, Hello Kitty store. For music and dance, to learn dance I try sometimes Team Nach. And for music I like Talpata Shipai.
Talpata Shipai also, that Bengali, they're new guys and they're doing great job. Meditative mind is one good thing I hear a lot of time when I am stressed out. Those kind of binaural music and chakra cleansing. And Jay Thakkar is a flutist, and he plays amazing flute, and he also teaches flute in some of his ways.
So tech, I have Casey Neistat.
I have Indian technical Guruji. Speaks in one breath, like breathless music. Manoj Dev.
Definitely you should follow him.
Next is Travel.
Travel One Honest channel we followed. Thank you, Honest Guide, if you
Just a
are
minute,
watching.
we want to thank you since we got this platform. Thank
We
you.
had an amazing
Yeah.
vacation
We-
just
we-
for
we-
you. And gardening, mostly I see many channels. One is like,
Gardening is my passion.
that channel is amazing.
Surya Agarwal.
He explains about gardening as a professor. I also watch that girls channel Garden Up, and I have an extra some channels which I could not find where to put it. One is Markly and this Fruit Rings. That's all. That is what we have.
So yeah, we are very grateful to YouTube for making this a platform, and all the YouTubers who do such a great effort to make our lives easy.
And this is really a video to thank them all for helping us, supporting us, making us laugh, making us know things, understand things.
Nowadays, whatever we need to know, we just prefer YouTube. Thank you.
So that is all for this video. We'll call it a night.
I will join you later.
We'll come with more videos.